Alright, so we're going to do an estimate on this 21 Charger Pursuit. I'm going to show you guys kind of how it's done. I'm just going to kind of generically do it. We're just going to use all OEM parts and just kind of roll from there. So we can see what really this would cost in the real world. And we can go with aftermarket parts, but it'll just take me so much longer, and I actually have a brief window right now where hopefully I won't get interrupted for 10 minutes. Alright, so let's get this ball rolling. So now I'm using WebEst. I used to use, and WebEst is a pretty decent program. It's all internet based. It uses Mitchell's database. So we're just going to click, I've already entered the car. So we're just going to go into the estimate. We're going to go into the vehicle. Alright, and it tells you right here what the actual vehicle is. 3.6 liter injected. It's saying here it's a 5-speed automatic transmission, but that's not the case. It's actually an 8-speed. It's a police fleet. Alright, 4-door sedan. But they do have the transmission wrong in here. Alright, so now we're just going to go to add parts. Alright, we're just going to start right off with the front bumper. Let's see, with hood scoop, with wide body, with hood scoop, without wide body, without hood scoop. So we're just basically, we need everything. So right now it's giving us left or right. Alright, so we're just going to go there, there, and then we're going to do the same for the right, there, there, bumper cover. Front bumper cover, body color, blah, 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 gloss black fascia. So we're going to add that one. They want $1,000 for that bumper cover. We're going to accept all the overlaps. We're going to need the parking light. Alright, it wants us to go into front lamp section. We're going to need the license plate frame. Front bumper plate bracket, 2015 to 2023. I don't know why it's listed in two different ones. We're just going to go with type 2, which is the cheapest. Alright, accept all overlaps. We're going to need, let's see here, bumper fog lamp opening cover, even though this does not have fog lamps. Yes. Accept all overlaps, and we'll hit the left. Yes, accept all overlaps. So far, just in the front bumper, we haven't even added the grills yet. We're already into, where is it? $2,000. Yeah, that's just in the bumper. And like I said, I'm just randomly, we're just kind of going quickly through this without hood scoop for the grill. Yes. So we're going to click that. Let's see, gloss black without chrome trim. Yes, because it's a police vehicle. Yes, we're going to accept the overlaps. Dodge emblem, yes, they do have the Dodge emblem. Nameplate adhesive Dodge Type 1, Dodge Type 2. We'll go with a cheaper one. Accept the overlaps. Alright, front lamps. Combination lamp 2015 to 2022 halogen. We're going to need that whole entire assembly. Yes. Then we're going to hit the right side. Yes, we're going to accept the overlaps. Hit the right. Alright. Okay. Alright. Side marker lamp for the front. Yes, we're going to need that. We're going to hit the left. Yes. Alright, so just with OE parts. Alright, so far we're up to $5,100. Alright, we're not going to do anything with the hood. Cooling. 3.6 liter engine. Alright, we're going to need the fan assembly. We are going to need that shroud right there, radiator seal. we are going to need number 8 as well, cooling deflector. And now we're going to go over to the right side, cooling deflector. And this is just kind of doing this quick. Front fender inner structure, exterior. Alright, both of those pads are missing, so we're going to add both of those. Pad. Let's see, fender with wide body, without wide body. Alright, add. And then we're going to go to the right side. Yes, we're going to accept all the overlaps. Go to the right. We're going to need the fender without wide body. Accept overlaps. Did I get the flare in the other one? Oh, Splash Shield, Daytona, SRT, Hellcat, SXT. We are going to go Splash Shield Police Model. $173. We got to go back and hit for the left. Police Model. Alright. And then we're going to go to airbag system. Front. We're missing both sensors. Accept all overlaps. Hit the right side sensor. Accept all overlaps. Windshield column dash instrument panel. Let's see. Front inner structure. Front. Alright, we're going to need let's see here. We're going to need number 1. Accept all overlaps. We're going to need number 5. Accept all overlaps. Going to need the left side for that also. Accept all overlaps. Alright. AC refrigerant, AC transmission oil cooler. Number 2. Yes. Accept all overlaps. Alright. So, now this is just breezing through this super quick. Okay? $10,626.12. So we are gonna print the estimate. And again, this is just randomly, just doing this quick. So then it just breaks everything down right here. I'm just gonna scroll through this lightly. And again, that's just breezing through it. I know there's more stuff. But this is just giving you guys a rough idea. Then it breaks everything down. Okay? Body labor, $59. Mechanical labor, $95. Paint supplies, $42.95 per paintable hour. And that's without tax. Right there. And I know I'm missing stuff, but that just gives you a rough idea, if this was a brand new car coming into the shop, what it would cost just to change all this stuff. So hopefully that helps you guys a little bit to give you an idea of how all this stuff works. And we'll be doing more videos in this car. Y'all have a goody. Off.